part of the School of Nursing's strategies to create an inclusive environment and dismantle barriers, we have developed an early intrusive intervention for our undergraduate students to encourage peer support and reduce segregation of students by ethnicity. Co-created with a local charity, The Feast, these interactive workshops provide an opportunity for students to communicate in a safe and fun space. Students share some principles of effective communication with the charity's Guidelines for Dialogue, a tool that promotes cross-cultural communication skills. This includes promoting honesty, acknowledging similarities and differences, and not treating individuals as spokespersons for their faith or culture. Then the students engage in a series of interactive activities which encourage conversations, from favourite shops, favourite festivals, to more challenging topics around politics and culture. Students have responded overwhelmingly positively to the workshops, and we're currently piloting them outside of the School of Nursing. They've taken on an additional significance as our undergraduates now emerge from a disrupted social and educational life because of the pandemic. They particularly welcome the opportunity to socially engage. The workshops are easy to deliver, with facilitation guidance available. They're not resource intensive, and they provide a genuine opportunity to enhance belonging in higher education. If you're interested in receiving support to deliver the Feast workshops in your programme, then please get in touch.